We move on. We have one of our own tribe members here to share his success. May I request Sunil Bhagat to please come up on the dais. As he comes up, I will quickly read out a few things about Sunil. Sunil is a leading IFA at Pondicherry. Starting off his career as an LIC agent in 2001, he quickly transferred focus to mutual funds as he understood very soon that the superior returns was the way he could serve his customers in the long run as an excellent wealth building tool. He has seen many phases of the market from 2001 change over the mutual fund industry, and he is trying to help other people in the industry as well. He is currently the president of the Pondicherry IFA Association, PIFA, since its inception in 2011. Over to you, Sunil.
Thank you. This morning the topic is success mantra. Well, for all us IFAs, I think the real first Vadakkam, all Galaxites and not Naxalites. Okay. The real success mantra, according to me, is to find good and loyal customers who will hold us and stay with us for a long period. This will happen if we are able to create long-term wealth for them through equity funds as well as debt funds, more tax-efficient returns. There are a few factors which we need to have. One is we need to have a very strong belief that the India growth story is really on and it is a long-term story, which simply means that the long-term graph is going up. Of course, there will be a few hurdles, there will be corrections. We will take it as opportunities to enter into the market either through staggered investments, SIPs, STPs. That will in fact help in the rupee cost averaging and will lower the cost of investment. Eventually, the investor gains. So we need to have this strong belief because, and we have enough statistical data since 2002, since when the market was 2000 and now it has even touched 28,000 in a period of 14 years. So the field is ours. We need to have this conviction in us. What we need to do is basically we should try and do financial planning for the customers. We should try to know their goals and make them aware of the goals, the children's higher education, retirement planning, quantify them and give them a portfolio of investment which will be a solution to achieve this. We should definitely have a minimum a tool like a mutual fund software which showcases their portfolio and their goal positioning. We should maintain proper, we should be well organized, maintain proper files for the customers and also, so that we can also help them at a time of transmission and other service issues. We should be very sincere to them. That is very important. Knowledge is the strongest weapon which we have in our database. We should have proper knowledge of the products, concept, taxation, and also knowledge of soft skills. It is the real power for us because when we have knowledge, we have the confidence to face the customer, and that confidence percolates into the conviction, and the customer will be eventually convinced that we are there for him. Knowledge seminars like what we have here today, reading of books, I think minimum at least 20% of our net productive time should be allocated to this. Soft skills like understanding of human psychology, as it is very critical for us to get the clients as well as retain them. We should also understand the emotional needs. We can send them birthday cards, we can be with them in the festivals, but side by side we have to be extremely professional. We should see that we do our job properly, we are punctual to our meetings, we are able to solve their issues, problems during the course of the investment road, and we should basically understand, we should see that the customer understands what we are trying to say or the concepts. Because if he has not understood, there will be a stage when there will be a misunderstanding and you may lose him. As far as possible, we should try and use simple language to explain the product to him. Use of technology is very important going forward. Online portals like NSC, MF utility, they will reduce the work, the paperwork will also be very comfortable for the customers as the work will be done a lot faster. You see the concept of 80-20 still applies here. 80-20 means that 80% of our business comes from 20% of the customers and 20% of the business comes from the 80%. But this is gradually changing and we need to have a system wherein we get in more customers into our business. Also, we can provide ancillary services through and networking through which we can get more customers like say PAN card, tax filing. Referrals are the most important aspects for us. Networking into other areas like general insurance, health insurance also will help us. I would also suggest that, basically we should enjoy our job and do it single-mindedly as it will create positive vibes with the clients also. When we work hard and we are sincere, the forces of nature will also help us further and help us succeed in our work. So even if there is direct or no direct, don't be worried. Go on, get more customers, do your work, be sincere. Thank you.
Thank you, Sunil. Sunil, please wait up. Can I request Anup Maheshwari to please come up and give a memento to Sunil for sharing his insights. Thank you, Sunil. That's very inspiring. Thank you, Anup, from Raipur for joining us all the way and doing the honors.